Welcome back to ALIGANA tutorial series. In this video, we'll be discussing how to track your order status on ALIGANA.com. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest videos. After placing an order on ALIGANA.com, it's important to keep track of your order's progress. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do just that. Step 1. Log in and navigate to User Center first. Log into your ALIGANA account and navigate to the User Center. Step 2. Select Order List or Shipping Order. Once you're in the User Center, click on the menu button and select Order List or Shipping Order to check the status of your purchase or shipping order, respectively. If you're using a mobile device, simply tap on an empty space to close the menu. Step 3. Check your order status on the Order List page. The All tab is selected by default. However, you can navigate to other tabs, such as Unpaid. This tab contains all unpaid orders that may have been submitted due to a payment error or other issues. To complete payment, simply select the products under the Unpaid tab. Paid. All paid orders are listed under the Paid tab. At this stage, the order is awaiting ALIGANA to purchase the corresponding products from the websites 1688.com, Taobao.com, and Tmall.com. Purchasing. If your order is listed under the Purchasing tab, it means that ALIGANA has already placed your order on the corresponding website and is waiting for it to be processed and shipped by supplier or seller. Seller shipped. This tab contains two possible statuses: shipped from seller and in warehouse. Shipped from seller means that the seller has shipped out your order, while in warehouse means that your package has arrived at ALIGANA's warehouse in China. Step 4. Check your shipping order status. If you're checking the status of your shipping order, the All tab is pre-selected. To check and take action for shipment, navigate to other tabs. Submit to ship. Under this tab, you'll find your parcel in ALIGANA's China warehouse. Simply select the products you want to ship and confirm your shipment by selecting the destination address and shipping mode. Pay freight. After ALIGANA receives your shipment confirmation, they'll pack and update the freight due. Under the Pay Freight tab, pay for the freight, and ALIGANA will ship out your package. Shipped. Under the Ship tab, you'll find details about your shipped order, including the tracking number and other information about your parcel, if applicable. Received. Once you've successfully received your shipped package, you can confirm its receipt under the Receive tab. That's it. With these simple steps, you can easily track and check the status of your order on ALIGANA.com. In the next segment of this tutorial, we'll guide you on how to ship your parcels with ALIGANA.com. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials. See you in the next segment.